We are going to be installing some LVP flooring. I've removed all the baseboard that was in this room. I have also installed a vapor barrier. This is 6 mils, that's 6/1000ths of an inch thick, which is what the manufacturers recommend. In my case, I have concrete slab foundation in this part of the house. So over time, water will just come through, and you don't want the water to be trapped underneath these boards because then they'll start bowing. Next up, what we're doing is we're installing our spacers, and I've laid my boards out so I know how long they'll be and where I'll want my spacers to be. You do need at least 1/4 of an inch gap to the finished wall. I basically cut a bunch of 3-inch strips of the Home Depot paint sticks that you get for free from the paint aisle for mixing up your paint. I have 115 inches from side to side. And what you're trying to avoid is a scenario where you've only got like a teeny tiny strip left over on either end. After doing a bunch of math, I'm going to be aiming to have my first and my last board being the same width at 5 1/8 inches. I'll show you guys what this looks like as we progress through it.